Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Place your fingers on the home row keys, a S, D, F, and J, K, L. Keep your fingers curved so fingertips rest on those keys naturally. Rest both thumbs lightly on the spacebar and keep pressure gentle. Hold wrists level and relax to avoid bending or tilting. Position the keyboard about 3 to 4 inches from your body for comfortable reach. Sit with elbows bent at about 90 degrees and shoulders relaxed to reduce tension during typing. Assign each finger specific keys to minimize movement and increase speed. Use index fingers for F, G, H, and B, and reach for T and Y when needed. Use middle fingers to cover D and K and ring fingers for S and L reliably. Use pinky fingers for Shift, Tab, Caps Lock, Enter, and punctuation keys with controlled motion. Keep movements small and return fingers to the home row after each keystroke to maintain accuracy and rhythm. Maintain good posture by keeping your back straight and feet flat on the floor. Position the monitor at eye level to reduce neck strain and keep shoulders relaxed. Practice in focused short sessions of 15 to 20 minutes to build muscle memory without fatigue. Gradually increase speed while keeping accuracy above 90% before pushing faster. Use light fingertip pressure and always return fingers to the home row after each keystroke for consistent form.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.